As we can see, Scratch is broken up into three columns. The column over here to the left-hand side, this middle column, and this right-hand column. The far left-hand column is the location in which you will get all of your blocks for coding. So you have things such as motion, looks, sound, control, sensing. All these different areas are going to help you to get the codes needed to program your sprite. So up here is the sprite we're working with, the name, the X and Y value. You can see here if I move the sprite, it will change positions as far as now X is 144 and Y is -47. We have costume tab as well as a sound tab, as well as the script. Last but certainly not least, we have our third column. So up here in the right hand corner, we can change the view as far as what we want our stage area to look like. This one will take it full screen, but I'm not going to do that for recording purposes. You'll lose some of the effect. Over here we have the ability to make our sprite shrink and grow. So if I want our sprite, or in this case most people call it the cat, to grow or shrink, if I would like it to duplicate it, I can now have two of them, and you can see here where it's sprite 1 and sprite 2, and we'll talk about how we want to change that later, as well as if you want to go ahead and get rid of one. Down here as well as we have the stage, and we'll talk about what stage means later in this video. But if you notice also, this X and Y value is forever changing. This is the location of my mouse, not the location of my sprite. Just a reminder, the location of your sprite is over here in this center column. And then of course you have your start and stop as well for your code. And then coming down here again, we have the new sprite feature, either to draw one, choose one from a file, or select one at random, in which you will see later in this video as well.